With a brand new tool called OpenAI Playground, you can now ask an artificial intelligence bot to write almost anything for you. The Playground AI can be used for many different things, such as writing short stories, having conversations with you, and more. You need to sign up for an account on the OpenAI website in order to use OpenAI Playground AI. Let's talk about it in detail. OpenAI Playground is an open-source platform that lets people unlock the full power of artificial intelligence and learn about its amazing capabilities. Users can quickly build and test AI models because the platform has a wide range of easy-to-use tools and powerful AI models. With OpenAI Playground, users can experiment with different artificial intelligence algorithms and methods, and the result of their tests can be seen in real time. One of the most noticeable things about the OpenAI Playground is that it has an easy-to-use interface. The tool is made so that people with different levels of experience can use it. This is done by giving users simple controls and a clean, easy-to-use interface. Users who want to learn more about AI and see what it can do will find that this is an excellent place to start. OpenAI Playground has an easy-to-use interface and gives users access to a wide range of advanced AI models with which they can explore. These models are taught to do a lot of different things like translate languages, recognize images, and write. Because of this feature, users can now check out how AI works in different situations and see how well it does at different tasks. The app also gives users a set of tools that can help them understand and make sense of their own research results. By showing the data in different ways, like graphs, visualizations, and other types of data representations, these tools help users see patterns and connections in their data. This makes it much easier to understand what AI models do and to figure out how well they work. OpenAI Playground is not just a tool for people who know a lot about artificial intelligence already. Aside from that, it's a great learning tool for anyone who wants to learn more about artificial intelligence. The platform gives users access to a variety of learning tools like lessons, example datasets, and other resources that help them learn the basics of artificial intelligence and how it works. Because of this, OpenAI Playground is a great place for both newcomers and experienced developers. Another important thing about the platform is that it was built with open-source software. That means that anyone can use it for free and anyone can try out different things with it. Because of this, it's a useful resource for academics, teachers, and students alike, as they can use the platform to research and learn about AI without having to buy expensive software or tools. For example, a person could use OpenAI Playground to experiment with a language translation AI model to learn more about what it can do. The user can type in a sentence in one language, and the AI model will show how it sounds in another language. The user can also change the settings of the AI model and train it on different datasets to make it fit their needs. With the help of the platform's visualizations and data displays, the user will then be able to better understand how the AI model works and see how well it's doing. This is just one example of how the OpenAI Playground can be used to try and learn more about what artificial intelligence can do. In conclusion, OpenAI Playground is the best tool for anyone who wants to learn more about artificial intelligence. It's a great resource for anyone who wants to learn more about artificial intelligence and see what it can do. Thanks to its easy-to-use design, powerful AI models, teaching tools, and open-source nature. No matter how much experience you have in the field of AI, OpenAI Playground is the perfect place to explore the amazing powers of AI and find out how to use it to its fullest potential. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more.